Welcome back to Speargrass Forge. In this episode of Skills for Beginners, we're going to be focusing on punching holes by punching holes in our tong blanks. Stick around. Now, when punching the holes, you can use a commercial shorter punch on a pair of tongs, but for this situation I'm using one of the punches that I've actually made, which is about 8mm, because my bar stock that I'll be using to make the rivet is 8mm stock. So starting off a bit smaller, and then of course we can stretch it out to by drifting it out to the actual size of the actual pin stock. Now when punching, I always start with the offset set over the other end of the anvil, so that I'm not causing that offset to be damaged, and by eye just finding about the middle and taking a couple good strikes just to set that punch. Now because it's thinner, it will lose heat rather quickly. It's okay to take a few heats to punch the hole. Same thing with the other side. About by eye, about the middle. Don't forget to cool off the end of the punch when you're actually punching, because this will heat up. Now, when you get most of the way through the stock, you'll find that if you go to the other side, you'll start to see a shadow of where that punch is coming through. So, in the next heat, what we want to do, a couple more punches on this side. We're going to roll it over onto the flat side and punch through from this side. Alright, a couple more hits on this side. I'm going to roll it over on the flat side, find where the middle of that shadow is, and a couple of light taps just to set it. Now, punch through, and I didn't have to go over the hardy hole or any Pritchell hole in order to do it. It just punched out. So it's, if you can see it on the anvil, right there. Just there is that slug, and so I will need to clean up the just straighten out the jaws again, but that's okay. Put it back in the heat, give it a bit of a tap out that way, but that's that now punched. Now I already started this one before on the back side, so theoretically should just be a matter of punching out, shearing off the slug. Yep, the slug's got a bit stuck, so that's alright. Come back through the other way. Let's punch it out the other side. Okay, so it's times like these where you may have to go to a Pritchell. It's actually shorn off, it's just stuck in there. Support it over the two corners. And that's now shorn out just there. So that's the second one done as well. So we'll just stick these back in the fire, straighten them out, make them a little bit more neater, because as you can see, they've gone a bit off kilter. But that's punching out. But that's punching out done. And it's back in the straight. Just drifting these holes out to make sure that they fit the stock, which my pin stock is going to be made out of, and it's pretty much almost there. Make sure this pin stock fits, pretty much. Always gently guide it in when I'm done. So there we go. So now punch ready for the rivet to go in the middle in order to finish off these tongs. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click the bell icon for notifications of when I upload, usually on the week. Don't forget to check out my Spreadshirt and print bar stores, links in the description. And I hope to see you again next time. Cheers.